In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve simultaneous equation. Let's take a start. You can see here two questions. 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to solve this. So first of all, we have to factorize, or if we convert first and last one in the form of whole square, we have to convert either in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So we can write here 2x whole square plus, and last one we can write here 1 whole square. Now a square and b square, here at the middle we have to write 2ab. 2a means what is here? 2x. In the place of b, what is here? 1. Now you can see here 2 square means 4x square, x square. 2 into 2 we get 4, x same. 1 square 1 equal to 0, equal to 0. This side we done factorization so many, and now we have to solve and we have to find out the value of x. Now you can see this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, formula of a plus b whole square. So we can write 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Or we can write here 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This square will be root 0. Root 0 means 0. Or 2x is equal to 1 will go on the other side. It will be minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is multiplication, so we have to divide here. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. We are solving solution of two unknown simultaneous equation. These are the simultaneous equation we have to solve, and we have to find out the value of x. Now you can see here, if we convert first and last one in the form of whole square, always we have to convert in the form of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. How to convert? If here is plus, definitely a plus b whole square. If here is minus, then a minus b whole square. So in the place of 9x square, we can write 3x whole square minus, and here at last 1 is here, so 1 square we can write is equal to 0. At the middle, what we have to write? A square minus 2ab. 2. A means what is here? 3x. B means 1 plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Formula of a minus b whole square. So we can write 3x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This square will be root 0. Root 0 means 0. Or we can write 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or 3x is equal to 1 will go on the other side. It will be 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 3. Now look at next. You can see here the next question is x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. If first and last one, if we convert in the form of whole square, then we have to use formula, otherwise not. Now 18 we cannot, square root of 18 we don't have, so we have to factorize this. While multiplying 18, while adding 9, we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 18 and addition is 9. If you don't know, you can do like this: 18, 2 9s are 18. When you add, we get 9. No, again we have to do 3 3s are 9. Now you can see here 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3 we get 9. 6 into 3 18. So we can write here x square plus 6 plus 3 x plus 18 is equal to 0. Or x square plus 6 into x 6x plus 3 into x 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. Or here from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining x plus 6, x already common, so 6 remaining, 6 we have to write on, plus from this two term we have to take common, and the common is 3. What is remaining here? X plus 3 into which number it will be? Is 18. 3 6 are 18 is equal to 0. Hope you understand up to here. Now again 6 plus x, we can take 6 plus x common. Now here is x plus 3, so x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either after this, we know factorization up to here. Now we have to solve. We have to find out the solution of simultaneous equation. Now either x plus 6 is equal to 0, we have to take x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, here is plus 6, so we have to write minus 6. Or x plus 3, so x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, if here is plus 3, we have to change the sign, we have to write minus 3. When you take to the right side, we have to change the sign. When you take to the right side, we have to change the sign. So answer is x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 6, and minus 3 is the answer. Now look at next one, this one. Here we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 72 and subtraction is 6. So we have to do like this: 72, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. When you subtract, we get 6. No, definitely not. Again we have to do 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 18 minus 4 6. No, again we have to do 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 6. No, again we have to do 3 3s are 9. From here only we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 72 and subtraction is 6. Now you can see here 3 2s are what? 6 and 3 2s are 6, 6 2 are 12. 12 minus 6 means 6 and 12 6 are 72. So we have to find out the factors, and from factors only we have to find out that type of number, two numbers whose multiplication is 72 and subtraction is 6. Now, or x square minus, in the place of 6 we have to write 12 minus 6, x minus 72 is equal to 0, or x square minus 12 into x, 12x minus plus 6 into x, 6x minus 72 is equal to 0, or from here common is x, remaining x minus 12. From here plus 6 common, remaining x minus 6 into which number it will be 72? Definitely 12. 6 12 72 is equal to 0, or x minus 12 again common, x minus 12, x minus 12, x minus 12 common, here x plus 6, so x plus 6 is equal to 0. Either x minus 12 is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, or x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, when you take this 12 right side, we have to write x is equal to 12, and when you take the 6 to the right side, we have to write x is equal to minus 6. If here is plus 6, we have to write minus, here is minus 12, so we have to write here 12. We have to change the sign. So the answer is minus 6 and 12. Hope you understand this question related with simultaneous equation, how to solve simultaneous equation. Now look at next number. You can see here the two questions again. X square plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. We have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 56 and subtraction is 1. So we have to find out like this: 56, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. When you subtract, we will not get 1. Again we have to do 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Okay, 14 minus 2 2s are 4. 14 minus 4, we will not get 1. Again we have to do 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 7 means 1, and 8 7s are 56. If you don't know directly, you have to find out the factors, and you have to find out fact from these numbers. You have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 56 and subtraction is 1, and the factors are 8 and 7. So we can write like this: x square plus, in the place of 1 we can write here 8 minus 7, x minus 56 is equal to 0, or x square plus 8 into x, 8x plus minus 7 into x, 7x minus 56 is equal to 0, or from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, so remaining x plus 8, x into x, x square. When x from x square, x common, so remaining x already common, 8 is here, minus from here we have to take some 7 common, remaining x. If minus is common, we have to change the sign. If minus is here, in the place of minus we have to write on plus, because minus plus it will be minus only. Now we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication with 7 it will be 56. 7 into which number it will be 56? Definitely 8, because here is x plus 8, definitely here also x plus 8. If these two are not same, your calculation may be mistake, is equal to 0. If here is 8, definitely it will be 8 only here. Now x plus 8, so we can take x plus 8 common, here x minus 7, so we can write x minus 7 is equal to 0. Either x plus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. When you take to the right side, we have to write minus 8, because here is plus 8, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write on plus. Similarly this one, or we have to take x minus 7 is equal to 0. When you take 7 on the side, so x is equal to 7 we have to write, because here is minus 7, we have to write plus 7, we have to change the sign. So answer of this question is 7 and minus 8. Hope you understand today's solution, how to solve and find out the value of x of simultaneous equation. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends too. And don't forget to hit the bell button, press the bell button, so you will get notification of upcoming videos.